The power of prayer and healing. James writes about that in James 5, verses 13 through 19. All healing comes from God. James writes about that and tells us that the power of prayer can activate that power of God in healing those who are sick. James chapter 5 and verse 15. And he says, confess your faults one to another and pray for one another that you might be healed. The effectual fervent prayer of the righteous avails much. Notice, the righteous prayer, that is one who has obeyed the gospel of Christ, put Christ on in baptism, living faithful before him, 1 John 1:7, walking in the light, that one has the power to call on God for healing, has the power to call on God for the forgiveness of sins and the healing of the spiritual man. Remarkable, isn't it? God can heal the weak and the vexed. The psalmist says that in Psalm 6:2. God heals the brokenhearted, Psalm 147:3. God even, listen to this, folks, God even has the power to heal the breaches and the breaks of earth, Psalm 60 and verse 2. There are a lot of folks today that talk about healing the planet, and man can't do that. God can. God can do it, and God will do it. Notice, by and through the prayer of the Christian. The power of God can be called upon even to the saving of the planet. That's what the Bible says. That's the gospel. I'm David Hill.
Thank you for listening to One Gospel Minute. Stay in touch with our podcast on our website and on Apple, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever fine podcasts are distributed. Tennessee Bible College, providing Christian education since 1975 in Cookeville, Tennessee, offers undergraduate and graduate programs. Study at your level. Aim higher. Get in touch with us today.
Don't you want to go to heaven when you die?